Hi all, this is phase 2 processing and also how we proceed with phase 2 processing. But if you have any clarifications, please drop me a mail in tele.sakar@gmail.com. Let's start with phase 2 processing. As you can remember that we have derived current month sales and YTD sales in phase 1. Now in phase 2 we are going to derive current year previous month sales, previous year current month sales, and previous to previous year current month sales. So how we are going to derive it is, basic idea is to join in between two self join, and then we can derive this output table. Let me take you to some test data driven approach. This is the test data. Now my question is how we can get the previous year current month sale amount for this record. So my first question is, what is the previous year current month for January 2013? Obviously it is 2012. If we join in between two records on the keys of customer, product and sales date, then we can get the previous year current month sale for this record. Now let's move to the next slide. I have colored it. Now how we can proceed with this? If we subtract 12 months from this date, then we can join with this record. This is the trivial condition. We refer this table as current year, and the same table we refer as previous year. So current year minus 12 months is equal to previous year. So this is the very generic condition of joining two record set. Now further, I just want to make it more generalized. Let's say this is the conditions: current year dot sales date minus n is equal to previous year sales date. If we want to get a number, the previous day sales, then obviously we have to put 1. If we want to get the previous month sales, then we have to put 1 month. If we want to get the previous year, then we have to put it as 12 months, and so on. I have explained it with this explanation, so follow it, you can understand it now. This is the query, this is current year table, this is previous year table. We join in between them using customer and product, and obviously vital condition is S date. So previous year S date is current year S date minus 12 months, and here we derive the measure current year current month sales as it is, current year YTD sales as it is, and previous year current month sales is showing by this column. The same way we want to derive previous to previous year current month sales amount. How we can derive? This is the query, and the joining condition remains same, but instead of 12 months I am putting it here 24 months. And one more thing is that since we have derived current year current month sales, current year YTD sales, previous year current month sales in the previous query, so we are making this parameter as 0, and this is the parameter for our consideration. This query only derives previous to previous year current month sales, so all other measures we are putting as 0. Now I am rewriting the query 1 to derive current year current month sales, current year YTD sales, and previous year current month sales. Rest of the measures are setting as 0. In the second query, I am rewriting for previous to previous year underscore current month. So this measure we are deriving, and rest of the measure we are setting as 0. Now for current year previous months, we are deriving the current year previous months, and rest of the measures as 0. One additional conditions we have put to restrict the rows for the current year. Now these three query, if we put in union and then aggregate, then we will get all the derived result set. So our final query will become this one. It's a long query, so I continue to next slide, and then order by to see the or verify the record set. This is our input record set, input table, and this is we derived the result set in this phase processing. So you can verify January record, or February record for 2013. You have input data set, you have output data set, you can verify the result set. And if you still have any doubts or if you need any clarification, please don't hesitate to write me a mail.